What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another Christmas cocktail. Because this is a nice winter warmer, another one, it's very nice. And it's the Tom and Jerry, as I said, I'll be doing it tonight. And after today's video there will be two more, which will be going up on the December 30th, which will be the hot toddy, and for New Year's Eve it will be the smoky old fashioned. But today's cocktail, guys, is the Tom and Jerry. As you can see, we've already had to pre-prepare, but I'd like to show you the pre-prepared. I've had to do it this way for the Tom and Jerry, which is the Tom and Jerry batter. Because in this bowl, as you can see, we've whipped the egg whites. That's why I've done that. So separate the egg whites and then put your egg yolk into this. Then whip your egg yolk into this. Then after you've whipped it with this, put in your cinnamon, put in your allspice, and put in the nutmeg, and then 1 ounce of dark rum. Then whip it up again and it should fold very nice. And then the final bit you want to do is add 250 ml of caster sugar to get it nice and folded, as you'll see when we combine the two to make the Tom and Jerry batter. As you can see, we've got a coffee glass here. Put warm water in it and then discarded the warm water. Right, now we've discarded the warm water, now we'll combine this as we're folding the mixture now. Right, I think I might just give it a quick whip before I do that. And just put that to one side. And now we'll slowly fold it into the egg whites. Because I hope you like my new mat from JSGC, give me a new mat, MixedSid bar. Because I hope you're all having a lovely Christmas. Hopefully this will work. Oh, look at it, just folding nicely. Oh, beautiful. So it's settling very nicely. We'll just give it a quick whip when we've added all this. Right, we'll just put this mixing bowl to one side and we'll give this a quick whip. It made a little mess. Oh well. And now we'll combine the two for the Tom and Jerry batter. We'll put to one side, and now get your coffee glass and put in 25 ml, which is 1/4 ounce of a dark rum. That's the first one to go into our coffee glass. That's what we'll build this cocktail now. Add in the cognac, again 25 ml, 1/4 ounce. And now what you want to do, guys, is top up with warm milk. It must be warm milk. Because you can use warm water if you wish, but I'm using warm milk because I do like it. Make sure you fill it about just here, just short. There we go. Right, now what we're going to do is add the Tom and Jerry batter on top. Now we'll get a bar spoon and hopefully it'll sit on top of this. So it looks very nice, doesn't it? Just sitting beautifully on top of the cocktail. I can only apologise for not showing you because we've had a new fridge today. It's caused upheaval in my kitchen. Otherwise I would show you how to do this. For the eggs I whipped 3 eggs, as I don't want too much batter. Because it does call for like 12 egg whites, but I just did 3 eggs and it's plenty full enough, as you can see. So we'll just add a little bit more, because I've already probably got more than enough of batter, to be honest. Put that to one side. And now we'll just go garnish with nutmeg. If you got a grated nutmeg, just do that, but I don't have one, we're going to do it like this. This is how I'm going to do it. There we go, just the job. Beautiful. And that, guys, is one Tom and Jerry cocktail. I will just give you a close-up of it. I will just focus it. There we are, beautiful. As you can see here, you can see where it sits right on top. The batter is absolutely perfect. Because if you wish to use a bigger coffee glass, you can. Right, that's a close-up. But don't worry, guys, I will leave the recipe just below in the description below if you wish to. So we'll leave the ingredients for how you made the Tom and Jerry batter. It's you separate the 3 egg whites, just whip it up as you put that to one side until it forms a stiff peak, because it should be nice and foamy. That's when it's stiff peak, nice and foamy. Just dip your spoon in and you'll see it. Now for the egg white, for the egg yolk, put in another bowl separate, as I use 3 egg yolk. And then add your dark rum and then add your spices to it and then whip it up again, and then final thing, put in 250ml of caster sugar. Caster sugar is it'll get it nice and foamy. Then just whip it nice and fold it and then you combine the two. But I do apologise as I couldn't show you that bit because of the upheaval in the kitchen. Well, that is one Tom and Jerry cocktail, absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to taste this, as I think I might use a straw for this as I don't want to ruin it sipping it. Right, how does it taste, a Tom and Jerry cocktail? Absolutely lovely, as I say. I don't like it. It's because if you like warm milk, you will like this cocktail. It's got nice spicy flavours to it. So I did the dark rum to it with the cognac. It's absolutely beautiful. The warm milk just gives it a nice, lovely, warm, wintry feeling. So you can certainly feel it, and I'll have another taste. I like it that much. So add it in with the batter, it gives it a nicer taste as well. It's just absolutely lovely. I would recommend it for winter. It's certainly a nice lovely cocktail. It's not the easiest one to make, it is a little bit complicated and you got to have a bit of preparation time, a little bit of spare time. It's not the easiest. But that, guys, is how you make the Tom and Jerry cocktail, and I will see you guys in 2 days time on December the 30th for the hot toddy, as that's going to be the next one. Then to finish off the series, it will be the smoky old fashioned. I thought I'll show off a bit for New Year's Eve, and I will show you how to make those two. But I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, and also, if you wish, can subscribe to MixedSid if we see more cocktails like this, as I will be doing more winter themed ones and Christmas right up to New Year's Day. But alright, but that's all there is left to say, and I will see you guys for the hot toddy. Cheers.